She's so pretty. Oh, look at it.
Wow. iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Man, look break
Deep
her heart.
pop. You know, go break her heart, don't worry. Hey, they do the post to open them.